Yo, what's up, poppin' everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about car parts. Alright, so to be able to install the light, this is what you need. It's just a flat hat. It's used to pop the panel lights out. And then if you don't have this, you can just use the flat hat screwdriver. The purpose is just pop out the light. Easy. Alright, so let's go down and get the light installed, shall we? But first, the cold start. Alright, so this is my, I don't know, 10 years old light. And you can see it. Over the times, the emblems and the Infiniti was like, it's some sort of AK. It's it just, I think it's, the light's still working, but it's broken, obviously. Alright, so first, you have to use this. Use the flat head on. So you pop in here, press in hard, and then just like prime it up. See, it pop up so easy. Then you can see it's right there. So you just have to like take out the connection. Simple, guys. All right. Yeah, and then after you plug it back in, you just like tuck it in, and you see that tap on both sides. So you light it up. You just like push it back in, and there you go. Pretty nice, right? So yeah, it's super simple to put the lights back in, guys. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Again, this is the other side. Just pop it in. And then you prime it up. Oops. Pop up. And you took it off, the whole thing off. And again, you press to and again, there was like the tap right here. So you just press and you took it out, right? I can't do it with one hand, so I'm gonna have to put the camera back down. Okay, so the whole light is up, so alright, here's a new light. Let's wrap it and put it back in. Alright, I got the light back in. Check this out. You can kind of see it, the Infiniti emblem, and then the Infiniti words. It's like right in the middle of the day, and you still can see the lights. Everything is so clean, like clear and clean. Alright, so here the other side. Look much better. This is like a different angles of the lights. Very nice. Ooh, love it, love it. Alright guys, so that's it for this videos. I'm super happy with the light, guys. I'm gonna put the links on the descriptions, so you can check it out if you want. Definitely something, a simple mod that you can do to your cars. I got this light for like 10 years ago, but it's time to change another light, you know. But overall, links in the description, guys. Alright, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. I'll see you guys next video. Okay, signing out. Achoo.